Hello guys, today I am going to explain how to become a DHA registered nurse in Dubai. This is a simple summary of the DHA licensing process.
This is the summary of the DHA licensing process. First, you have to do a self-assessment to check whether you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, then you can create a DHA account, which is called the Sheryan account. After that, you need to complete the Prometric exam and the DataFlow verification. There is no fixed sequence. You can do both in parallel. Meanwhile, you should also complete the BLS certificate course, and the certificate must be attached before applying for the eligibility letter. Once both the exam and DataFlow verification are completed, you can apply for the eligibility letter. This eligibility letter is valid for getting a job in Dubai, and your employer will use it to activate your DHA license. Next, we'll check the salary package for DHA Registered Nurses. This is the normal salary package for assistant registered nurses and registered nurses in the Dubai. Next, we'll look at the Prometric exam. As I mentioned earlier, you can complete the exam and DataFlow verification in any order, or even do both in parallel. Each country has designated Prometric exam centers, and you need to register through your DHA account. For example, in Sri Lanka, one of the main Prometric exam centers is Openark Campus, Colombo 6, Kirlapone. Next, we'll look at DataFlow verification. Before starting the DataFlow process, you need to arrange the following certificates and documents. Recent passport size photograph, valid passport copy, educational qualifications, experience certificates, license and registration, good standing certificate. Next, we'll look at the BLS certificate. An internationally valid BLS certificate is compulsory for this process. You need to upload it under the Other Documents section when applying for your eligibility letter. Without the BLS certificate, you won't be able to apply for the eligibility letter. The eligible letter is the final step of the DHA licensing process. Once you complete the DataFlow verification, Prometric exam, and BLS certificate, you can apply for the eligibility letter through your DHA account. If there are no issues, you can receive the eligibility letter quickly. After that, your part of the process is completed, and you can start applying for nursing jobs in Dubai. Once you get a job, your employer will activate your DHA license.
So this is the complete DHA nursing process in Dubai. If you follow these steps correctly, your journey will be much easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful guides like this. If you have any questions, just drop the comments. I will be happy to reply it. And finally, thank you very much for watching my video, and I wish you all the best in your nursing career in Dubai. Thank you very much.